Let me ask you a simple question. Wouldn't it be nice if you can make money on autopilot? Have money automatically deposited into your bank account without lifting a finger? Would you leave your job and travel the world? Buy a house of your dreams? A nice car to impress your friends? Or something else? Well, in today's video, you are going to learn exactly this. This video is perfect if you are a beginner, interested in starting an online business, want to supplement your income with a side hustle, or want to quit your soulless 9-to-5 job altogether. Here's what we're going to be covering today. Part 1 is finding a profitable niche. Part 2 is picking the right offer or offers. Part 3 is promoting this offer in a very unique and special way. Part 4 is sitting back and watching the money roll in. Let's get into the method. So in the first step, we have to do a little bit of research. So if you execute this query, how many new businesses start every day in USA, or a variation of this query, you're going to get a bunch of results. So for instance, I have here, it takes an average of 4 days to launch a small business in the US. In the US, 543,000 new businesses are founded every month. So if we take 543,000 divided by 30 days in a month, we have 18,000 businesses every single day, which is a big number. Here's another article here. How many new businesses start each year? We have another one, number of new business applications in millions, right? In millions. And this is from the US Business Formation Statistics, right? The number in comparison, the US government receives 3.5 million new business applications in 2019, around 11,000 fewer than in 2018, which is almost nothing, right? Marking a marginal 0.33% year-over-year increase. And so this is huge, right? Because if we can reach these people, and especially if we can reach them for free, we can make a lot of money because businesses are interested in a lot of content, okay? Step 2 is you want to go into Google or Bing and you want to type something a little bit more specific. So for instance, here I have new business filings Oregon. You can put any state that you want. Each state has its own agency that's responsible for dealing with businesses and corporations, filings, statistics, stuff like that. So we have new business filings Oregon, right? We have this article. We're going to open it up. And this is what we have. City of Portland, Oregon, business list, right? And we have all of these articles here. We have these new business lists. Let's open up August 2021. We're going to open it up. And guess what we have? We have owner, business, mailing address, business description. Here's the name. Here's the description. Everything that we need to do. There's all kinds of these lists that are out there, okay? Let's open up a previous list. Let me show you what that looks like. So we're going to open up the previous month and we have the same thing. Here we have owner business, 22 Elephants LLC, Adam Universe. These are the names of the businesses. It's the same list. It's a very, very similar list. So we have the name, we have the mailing address, and we have a business description. And now step 3, this is where we're going to be pitching them various products on services that we are hopefully going to make some money, either with commissions, affiliate marketing commissions, or something else. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So let's say we open this list. Let's go to the last list right here. We have, let's say, A3 Smart Home, right? We want to Google this, right? So we want to select it. Right, we want to select it. We can actually even highlight it here if you want, right? We can highlight it, which is kind of cool, like if you want to save it for later. But what we want to do is we want to select it and we want to learn more about it, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if we can actually find this business. So here's the business. Let's put it here. And we have A3 Smart Home, right? Now we want to make sure that this is the same business. So I'm going to put Portland, right? Because a lot of times that business can have very similar names and could be a completely different business. So let's say we have this business right here. We're going to open it up and we're going to see if this is available. They want me to enter my zip code and it looks like I cannot access the website just to understand. So I'm going to go to the next business. I'm going to scroll down and I am going to go to maybe I want to find some kind of a online business or something like that. There's a lot of businesses, but I'm going to find the perfect business to show you what I mean. So we have digital declutter. How about this one? That's an interesting one. I love online businesses. So I'm going to select this business right here. We're going to say Portland. Okay, and what do we have here? Digital is a business registered with the state. So here's a very good business that I found. Gateway Massage Spa. If we Google that, we see results. This is in Portland. They always want to type Portland, Oregon. As you can see, it's already suggesting it to me. which makes it seem that this is the business that people are searching for. So we are correct. So if you open up, this is their Yelp page. It's available. You can kind of learn more about it. This is their other websites. And what you guys want to do is you want to find contact information of this business by actually, like, let's say we're going to load up the Yelp page and we're going to get contact information. So here's a very good business. This is Holy Beans Coffee. If we Google this right here, you're going to see a bunch of results. You're going to see their incorporation records, their LLC, their records. You have their Instagram. You have a lot of interesting things. There's even an article, a Facebook page. And so what you want to do is you want to open, let's say you're going to open their Instagram page here. And so here's their Facebook page. As you can see, there's an article here. There's a video of them actually doing the actual plays there. So as you can see, they're just starting out. And so the next step is you want to get their contact information. You can send them a message here. You can get this person's email. It's all fairly easy to do that. It's a very, very straightforward process. If you know their domain name, you can actually type it here and you can connect with anyone. Next, and the next thing that you want to do is you want to head over to a website called testimonial.co. And this is a great website because it allows you to get video testimonials from your customers with ease. And if you're not familiar, testimonials is something that everybody uses, right? This is a way for them to create a website, a web page, and list actual video testimonials. And this could be done for absolutely any business. We picked a coffee shop, Holy Beans Coffee, but it could be absolutely done for any business. It could be a B2C, business to consumer, or B2B, business to business. Doesn't really matter. And what you can do, guys, is you can go back to this website and you can scroll down and guess what they have? An affiliate program. Be our affiliate, earn 30% commission. Partner with us to earn a recurring 30% commission every month. Your referred customer will also get 15% off their first year. You can earn $720 every month. The calculation is based on a monthly price. And so let's say they sign up for the $60 a month premium plan and you refer, let's say, just 2 people, right? You can make $576 every month. Let's say they also, this includes the ultimate plan. Let's say you get 2 people for the ultimate plan and 2 people for the premium plan. You're going to be making $144 every month. Let's say you get 10 people for the premium and 10 people for the ultimate plan. You're going to be getting $720 every month. So you can sign up, share your links, and get 30%. So all you have to do is click this button right here, join their affiliate programs. And this is a custom program. You're working directly with the merchant. As you can see, they don't need a website. They don't need anything. It's very direct. You can just put your real information here. You can sign up, and then you're going to be inside their dashboard, and you're going to be getting a recurring 30% commissions on all payments for all paying customers you refer. And the way you can do it is obviously you can strike a conversation. You can email them and say, hey, I noticed that, you just started a business. It would be very, very helpful to your business if you have a page with referrals. It would be very, very helpful to your business if you have a page with testimonials of people telling other people how great your product or service is. And once they decide, yes, this is a good idea, you can send them your affiliate link to testimonial.co. And you can do that for all of these businesses if you want. You can just do it for some of them. You can kind of pick and choose what you want to do. Now, you guys can send this link directly, or you could send it as part of promoting multiple offers using something like a Google Docs document. So let me show you what I mean. So for instance, here's a sample Google Words document that I created for another type of campaign, for another strategy. But you can create a document that looks something like this, and you can have links of various offers that you can go out and promote. And one of these offers could be testimonial, or you can promote it as a single offer. And so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. It's a very, very simple method. You're using free traffic and you're promoting a product that's going to provide a ton of value to the actual entrepreneurs who are starting or running already well-established businesses. Hope you enjoyed this method. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. Like this video, and I'll see you in the next